Hey creators, ever watch a video and just feel captivated? Like you're in a trance and can't look away? It's not magic, it's rhythm. And today, I'm going to show you how to master one of the most powerful tools for creating it: varying your shot lengths. So, what do I mean by rhythm? In video editing, rhythm is the pacing and flow of your cuts. It's the heartbeat of your story. Just like a good song, a good video needs a dynamic rhythm to keep the audience engaged. A flat, monotonous beat gets boring fast. Let's break it down. We have two main types of shot lengths to play with: short, quick cuts, and long, sustained takes. Each one creates a completely different feeling. Think about an action sequence in a blockbuster movie. What do you see? Bam, 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 a quick shot of a hero's face, a flash of a fist, an explosion, a reaction shot. These are super short cuts, maybe less than a second each. This rapid-fire editing creates a sense of energy, excitement, and tension. It makes your heart beat faster. You can use this in your own videos to build hype for a product reveal, show a rapid transformation, or create a high-energy montage. It's perfect for grabbing attention right at the start of your video. Now, let's flip the coin. Imagine a beautiful, sweeping landscape shot in a nature documentary, or an emotional monologue where the camera just holds on an actor's face. These are long takes. A long take, lasting several seconds or even longer, slows everything down. It gives the viewer time to breathe, to absorb the details, to feel the emotion of the moment. It builds anticipation, creates intimacy, and allows for a deeper connection with the subject. Use long takes when you're telling a heartfelt story, explaining a complex idea, or want to immerse your audience in a specific atmosphere. The real magic, the secret sauce, happens when you combine them. You can't have an entire video of just quick cuts. Your audience will get exhausted and confused, and a video of only long takes might feel slow and draggy. The art is in the contrast. Let's walk through a practical example. Say you're making a cooking video. You start with a few long, beautiful shots, a slow-motion pour of olive oil, a gentle pan across your fresh ingredients. This sets a calm, inviting mood. Then, as you start chopping, you switch to quick cuts. Chop, chop, chop. A shot of the knife, a close-up of the diced onions, your hands moving quickly. This builds energy and shows efficiency. When you put the ingredients in the pan, you might use a medium-length shot to show the sizzle and the steam. Then, as it simmers, you go back to a longer take, letting the viewer appreciate the process. You're taking them on a journey, not just with your cooking, but with your editing. You're controlling their emotional response. Here's a simple exercise to try. Take a piece of footage, any footage. First, edit it using only 2-second cuts. Then, re-edit the same footage using only 10-second cuts. See how different they feel. Now, try to edit it a third time, mixing long and short shots. Start slow, build to a fast-paced peak, and then slow it down again. You've just created a rhythmic arc. This principle applies to any kind of video, whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or a marketing expert. Using varied shot lengths is how you guide your viewers' attention and make them feel exactly what you want them to feel. It's what separates an amateur video from a professional one. It's storytelling at its purest. So next time you're in the editing timeline, don't just think about what shots to use. Think about how long to use them. Play with the tempo. Be the conductor of your own visual orchestra. Create a rhythm that your audience can't resist. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more editing secrets. Let me know in the comments how you use rhythm in your videos. Until next time, keep creating.